In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to move the taskbar from the center to the left. And without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here. Please type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until the best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option and please locate with the option called personalization. And here at the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and locate with taskbar, click on it. And you can see that the taskbar is being composed of different components such are items, tray icons, other system tray icons, and taskbar behaviors as well it has this related settings and support. So from here, we need to navigate with taskbar behaviors where we can see taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. So click on this down arrow key to reveal other options and eventually you can see this kind of option. So from here, you need to proceed with taskbar alignment and aligning to what you consider an option like this. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key and as you can see that the center is being set as a default taskbar alignment and if you would like to change or move it to the left, all you need to do is you need to click on left and eventually it would be successfully moved here at the left. Okay. Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.